Now it's time to attach the hair system. Now that your scalp is prepped and your adhesive is ready, it's time for the big step, installing your hair system. This is where patience and positioning really matter, so take your time and set yourself up for success. Start by setting up your workplace. Place a mirror flat on the table and another one in front of you. Looking down into the mirror gives you more control and a better view of your scalp, especially when you're aligning the front hairline. Having a 360 mirror would also be a great asset to making attachment easier to see at the back and the sides. There are two main techniques that you can use. Now there are a lot more that you may try when you feel more confident and experienced, or maybe you can just find your own way. Front to back or back to front. Now most people prefer starting from the front since it gives you more control over the hairline, but go with whichever feels more natural for you. Now before applying the hair system, lightly mist the adhesive with just right positioning spray. This slows down the bonding process just enough to let you adjust and position the system before it fully sets. Now hold your system carefully above your head with both hands. Once it's in place, gently lower the front edge or hairline first, aligning it with your guide marks. Press down slowly, moving backward as you smooth the system into position. Run your fingers gently across the hairline to feel for secure adhesion. Check for bubbles or wrinkles. If you find any, gently lift the hair system and press it back down. A helpful tip is to place a towel or satin sheet over your head and press down with some pressure. This method helps the hair system adhere better without you having to use your fingers too aggressively on the hair and base. If you're applying from back to front, the same rules apply. Go slow, check your alignment, and use positioning spray for more control. Once attached, press firmly along all bonded areas for a few minutes. All right, your system should now feel secure, natural, and comfortable. Avoid any heavy styling for the first 10 minutes and any water or excessive sweat for the first 24 hours.